the certain gentleman, uninvited, came, called in Cameroon. Maybe at a certain given time, I can share you the list, the long list of social media kicking and attacking and boxing and dodging Cele all the time. But the issue here that must be explained. Not invited was given a full opportunity, and he really spoke for some time, saying things that he would say. There was a peace, quiet, and everybody listened until he finished. Then the member of parliament that is responsible for that had to stand up and answer. The trouble is not on what he said. When the member of parliament responded there from that office, the gentleman stood up, caused chaos. It is on the score that is called to sit down and listen, because the House, including member of parliament that was there, gave a full respect and listened to him saying everything without anybody making any response. The question there, he failed to render the same response and the same respect that was given to him as everybody listened. So it cannot be you giving your speech and everybody listen to you. When people respond, you stand up, you bang the table and all that. That's what happened. The call was to sit down and listen as you have been rendered the same respect of being listened to, and nobody disturbed you. That's the only thing that happened there.